and it keeps me going, and I love it.
So,
And I think if you give it a shot, you might love it
you
too.
can hear it, no exhaust, just cam belt replacement, and they're like a slight service. So yeah, just want you guys, I think you can hear it. So I'm just driving to a safer spot where I can do a pull with holding my cell phone, so that no one is in danger or anything. So we need to do this as safe as possible. We don't also want to be a nuisance to the community. So we're just gonna quickly go to a secluded place where nobody's walking and, you know, out of the ways of the public. So yeah, this is better. We are at the train line, so there's no cars or anything, and plus it's early in the morning. So yeah, let me just roll down my windows so you guys can hear the engine.